Emma? What are we doing today?
What?
We're gonna bowl. Emma's first time bowling. We're super excited.
Mommy, we're gonna knock those over.
You're gonna knock those over?
Uh-huh.
Okay, it's gonna be
And
good.
do it again.
And again and again and again?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Who do you think is gonna be best at this? Daddy, Mommy, or Emma?
Mia.
You probably will because you have an advantage.
Me and Daddy.
Yeah, well, Mommy will definitely be the worst. But we're bumper bowling, so there's a chance. Are you super excited? I can't wait.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it then. Good job. Oh, Emma. Emma, good job. Now we gotta get it out. Come watch this magic. Come here. Watch this. It's gonna come back to you. Your ball came back. Isn't that amazing? You're supposed to do it again. You can move the ramp if you want. Oh my gosh. Okay. Good job. Go for it. Whoa. Go, go, go. Hit the last ones. You did good. Good job. All right. Whose turn now? Mommy's turn. Okay. I'm tied with my 2-year-old. Something's not right here. But now it's Daddy's turn. He can't decide what ball he wants. Okay, here we go. Okay. No. Is it gonna come back to him? Here it comes. Woohoo! All right, Daddy. No, he keeps changing his mind. All right. Come on, Daddy. Oh, Daddy! Showed us all up. Is it coming back? It's your turn again. Come here. Yeah, that's how. Well done. I think it's hard to spread your fingers though. Come on, bring it. Is this fun, Emma? Okay. Push it. Bye-bye ball. Hit the pins.
Curve.
Oh, hurry. Come on, curve. Oh, no. That's okay. You get another try. You want to roll it just between your legs?
You want to roll it normal? You want to not use that? Come on.
Your ball. I know.
You ready?
Maybe you shouldn't use your chin. Push it.
Push it.
Punch it, Chewy. Oh no. Oh, too bad. Okay, I feel like I can do better than that.
All right, stand back here. It's Mommy's turn. No!
One. You think I can get that one? Let's watch my ball.
Don't put your hand.
Did that scare you? Okay, thank you. I'm ready. Not really, but you can watch from a distance. Oh, come on. No,
Oh.
no. Yes.
You got it. Oh!
Let me hit it.
This?
It's your turn.
You want this?
You decide where it goes. All right, come get your ball. It's the green one. Can you get it? Need help? Alright, here we go.
Push it.
Push hard. Give a good one. Yeah. Did you do that with your fist? Good call. Watch, watch, watch. It's a good one. Emma, wow. All right, come. Wait for your ball. Emma, you get another turn. You have another turn.
It's your turn.
It's your turn. Go get your ball. Can you get it? Good job. Woohoo! This is fun. All right, girl. Bro. Come on, bounce back, bounce back. Come on, come on.
Oh, looks like a good one.
Oh, that's okay. You did good. High five. Or not. It's cool. Yeah, so Sophia was coming with her, but I think she made a wise choice. Whoa. Do you need help? It's okay. We can help you. Okay, you got it. Good job.
Oh my goodness, good job.
You hear that, Grandpa? You're on bowling duty next time you visit, apparently. She needs to learn proper form, something I never learned.
Good job.
Wow! Good job!
Hold your ball.
You got slippery shoes? Emma, you get another turn.
Emma, another turn.
It's your turn.
Your turn.
Yeah, this is your another turn.
There you go.
All right,
Push it.
make it happen. The fist, I love it.
Oh, well, maybe.
Come on, hit her
Bump
soon. Bump early and
Bump
spin.
it, bump it, bump it,
Spin,
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 Or
spin,
stay there,
spin,
stay there.
Good job! You hit one!
All right, Mommy's turn.
My turn. All right, the final score. Emma slipped on the floor and decided halfway through she was done. So she doesn't really count. And then I did terrible. And Chris crushed it.
But I broke 100.
But he broke 100. He did awesome, I think. Emma, before you got hurt, was it fun?
Did you have fun?
Yeah, you liked it until you knocked your chin a little. Emma, did you get prizes? Daddy, did you get prizes?
Yes.
What did you guys get?
Emma, what'd you get?
A helmet and a necklace.
Emma got a helmet with no prompting from me.
It's true, I just asked her.
Like, I mean, I'm
Are you
so
so proud?
Proud man.
Fantastic.
Emma got the Houston Texans.
Nice.
Which is funny because she got a keychain one time. Or I did.
Oh yeah, that's right.
And she got a necklace.
I think God's telling you to be a Texan fan. You wear your Cowboys shirt. No, that's not the message.
It's a different type of...
She used her own little money from her own little piggy bank and
wait,
got
yeah.
some prizes. A heart! I bet he can. Okay, so that was our bowling adventure. Emma enjoyed it until she slipped on the floor and hit her little chin on the chair, which is sad. Chris crushed it. I stunk it up. I had a few moments of brilliance. That's usually how it goes with my bowling. But otherwise, we had a super fun time. And did you want to show your prizes?
I do.
Guess what Chris won? He spent his own spending money.
Baltimore Ravens.
Yeah, go Lamar.
Lamar Jackson.
Yeah.
And continuing with the Louisville quarterback theme, New Orleans Saints.
Yay!
Teddy Bridgewater.
Yeah, go Teddy. I love you, Teddy. You little broken thing. Okay, so we had fun today. We were worried that 2-year-olds would be too young to enjoy bowling, but she liked it for sure. And hey, we had fun. So thanks for joining us on our adventure. Subscribe, like it, give it a thumbs up. That's the same thing. Hit the bell button. And thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. If you like to bowl, good for you. I can't
Leave it
stop
in the
doing
comments.
this. What is this? Yeah.
Tell us in the comment section below if you like to bowl.
Yeah, let us know you're out there, and we know you are, and we really appreciate you watching on our little silly adventures. So I know my arm's too short. So thank you, and that's it. Remember, Disney's always just under way.